Hi everybody! In this 5th lesson, we will explore the command crop that allows you to obtain same dimensions for a set of images. First, let us open 5 images. For each image, execute the command image size and make sure that each one has a different dimension. Next, we will use the crop command in order to have all the images with the same dimensions. To start cropping the images, select the button Crop from the toolbar. Look how the submenu of the Crop tool is displayed automatically. Click on the first drop-down list as shown and select the option Width, Height, Resolution. Set the desired width, the height, and the resolution. In our example, we will set the width and height equal to 400 pixels by 400 pixels and select the part of the image you want to crop. Once the crop area is set, click on the button to confirm. To make sure that the cropped image has the correct dimensions, execute again the command image size and see how the new dimensions are now equal to 400 by 400 pixels. Now we can proceed for the rest of the images by cropping them and saving them. Now it is your turn to open 5 images you collect from the internet and then do the following. 1. Set the crop size to 600 pixels width and 400 pixels height. 2. Crop the 5 images by keeping the essential part of the image. 3. Execute the command File, Save As in order to give them a new name. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.